Welcome to my bougainvillea world. Ayan ang aking mga collections ng bougainvillea. Different colors, rare varieties. My beautiful
mga grafted giant
opal.
bougainvillea.
Opal. This is what? What's your
Flower
name?
during summer.
What is your name? What is your name?
Ano na naman po yung mga varieties
so
ko.
ganda.
Sobrang dami, hindi na makilala.
Why is so beautiful?
Wow.
Oh. Ano yung name mo? Nakita mo may paano pa siya, oh. Hi! This is my buttercup. My beautiful buttercup. This is my jewel, peach jewel. Wow. My peach jewel. This is, I don't know, what is this? Pero maganda yung flowers niya, promise. Ganda niya. Ayan. This is my, hindi ko na pangalan nito. Pero maganda din siya. This is my Hawaii white. And here's my Coffee batik. This is my red tanglong. Red tanglong ba to? Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan niya. Or popcorn. Pero parang tanglong siya. Oh. Nice, nice na. And ordinary white. Ordinary white. This is my chitra eyes. Ang ganda. Varad Biza. Parang na siyang orange kasi matagal na yung flowers niya. Aray ka! No! This is my Pedro Bambino. Baby Pedro Bambino. This is the ano to? Tri-star. Tri-star siya. Tri-star. Tingnan. Tri-star. Yan ang Borneo Mona Lisa. Princess Mona Lisa Borneo. Yan. There's another one. Coffee batik.